Hi Angel Treasures. So I'm going to be unboxing the first toy. This is called Cutie. Cutie Kawaii. Kitty Puff. So cute, so squishy. Like I mentioned, there was a brown one. I don't know if it was a dog. This is a white cat. I'm not good at whatever. ASMR, whatever. I might be saying it wrong. I don't want to destroy the packaging. Hopefully, I'll cut it this way. It will take out the cat. At least I took the picture, but I want to keep the bag. I want to keep everything. Running these guys. It's like, oh my god, it's soft and squishy. For real. Oh my god. It is a Kawaii kitty. Oh, squishy. Hold on. No. How cute. Cute. Put it where you can see it. No, you can't even see it. See it halfway. My little people. I wanted to see her, but you can't see her. She's so little. I'm gonna box the same one. That way she has a twin sister. I'm unboxing another Calico repeat. Whatever it's called. They say a different word. I always have a problem unboxing these. Okay. Cute. To show the other way, but you've already seen the other video. I'm gonna dress her up. She has her pink brush. I do want to get, not right now, but when I earn the money, if I get good money, I would like to get art, like maybe not a house, because a house is too much. Move somewhere else, especially a car. My son needs a car. He has to learn how to drive first, but he's a fast learner of a lot of stuff. He's a Leo the Lion. If I could open this with the tape. Oh, okay. Yeah. Use the scissors. Easy way. Pink brush. And put her dress off camera because I have a hard time putting it, unless you want me to try it again. I know the neck thing's supposed to be in front. Let's see, it's supposed to look like this. moving it that way. I think I'm doing it wrong. Okay. I might pause it. There we go. And there we have the twin sisters. I'm just gonna box those two, toys. It's almost 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna post it, and then I'm gonna be unboxing these toys.